Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Ashburnham Long Distance. Movers near me, Ashburnham Local 3. Movers is your reliable company for your local relocation. Our MA movers are the best. They are well-trained with decades of experience and know the best routes to deliver your belongings on appropriate notice without any slight complications. Trust Ashburnham Local 3 Movers to make your move an excellent one. Ashburnham, MA. Movers are well-experienced and adequately trained always to give our clients excellent service. Ashburnham Long Distance 3 Movers are the best for long drive relocations, with our experts providing you with an adequate vehicle for your moving needs and transporting your belongings with the utmost care to your new location. With Ashburnham Long Distance 3 Movers, you can rest assured everything will go smoothly with your move. With our expert long-distance movers, there is nothing to worry about. Ashburnham 3. Movers professionals are here to ensure you have a smooth transition without any hassle. Our professionals will ensure we put a smile on your face as you relocate to your new home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ashburnham moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.